this party started. I am Ondoy B, and this is the first Miss Baguio Philippines. We are all live now at the Hydrology class. This competition this year will be tough. 3 ladies competing for the crown and the title. All our delegates are exclusively dressed by our green styling. For the past few days, our candidates studied about bagyos that hit their lands. Without further ado, let's meet them now. Let's call on Miss Luzon. Miss Luzon, alright. Good afternoon, Miss Luzon. How are you right now?
Good afternoon too. I'm doing good, especially now that I'm here in Miss Baguio.
That sounds good. How is Luzon this past year? Did you experience any bagyo?
Actually, Luzon has experienced a lot of bagyo already. The strongest, I guess, is Bagyong Tepeng, which happened last September 2009. Pag-asa declared that Bagyong Tepeng has a maximum sustained wind of 195 kilometers per hour near the center and a gustiness at 230 kilometers per hour. It moves west-northwest at 19 kilometers per hour.
Thank you for sharing, Mr. Juan. That was catastrophic.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, now we call on Miss Visayas. Okay, good day, Miss Visayas.
Good day.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
Actually, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Wow, you're so confident. Okay, so how was Visayas during Bagyong Yolanda?
Well, it was just recent when Typhoon Yolanda hit Cyclone. It was the strongest typhoon throughout the Philippine history. And according to Pag-asa, it has a maximum sustained winds of 230 kilometers per hour near the center and a gustiness up to 380 kilometers per hour. My family's experience was very tragic.
Yes, the entire country was really concerned. Thank you for that, Miss Visayas.
People,
Last but not the least, Miss Mindanao. Hello, Miss Mindanao. You look lovely today.
thank you and same to you.
Well, how is Mindanao? What was the recent bagyo that occurred in your island?
As what I can remember, was Bagyong Pablo on the last week of November of 2012. It was the strongest tropical cyclone that hit the island of Mindanao. It was said to have a maximum sustained winds of 175 kilometers per hour near the center and a gustiness of 210 kilometers per hour. My city, Cagayan de Oro, was affected by Pablo. It had a total fatality of 1,067 deaths.
Thank you, Miss Mindanao.
You're welcome.
Okay. Well, that was the first part of this pageant. The final part is the Q&A or question and answer. Questions will be asked to determine our Miss Baguio 2017. Questions will be asked and the lady with the highest score will be declared as our winner. Kaway sa kanan. What is the English term for bagyo? Find it.
I believe that bagyo in English is cyclone. To make it more specific, a tropical cyclone. It is a circular air movement over the warm ocean waters in a warm part of Earth near the equator. Most tropical cyclones create strong winds and heavy rains. While some tropical cyclones stay out in the sea, others pass the land. They can be dangerous because of the flooding.
Wow, that was impressive, Miss Mindanao. Question number 2. What are the other terms for a cyclone?
I believe that cyclone can also be called hurricane or typhoon depending on its location. A tropical cyclone occurs in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, while it is called a hurricane if it is in Atlantic and Northeast Pacific. The same type of disturbance in the Northwest Pacific is called typhoon.
That is correct, Miss Luzon. Now for question number 3. What are the main parts of a tropical cyclone?
I believe that the main parts of a tropical cyclone are the eye wall, and rain bands. First is the eye. It will usually develop when the maximum sustained wind goes above 74 meters per hour, and it is the calmest part of the storm. Second is the eye wall. It is where strong wind gets as close as it is. The eye wall consists of a ring of tall thunderstorms that produce heavy rains and usually the strongest winds. Lastly, the rain bands. These are curved bands of clouds and thunderstorms that trail away from the eye wall in a spiral fashion. These bands are capable of producing heavy bursts of rain and wind, as well as tornadoes. Thank you.
Correct! Wow, our ladies really have studied very well. For our next question, question number 4. This is a hard one. Okay, what is the connection between the tropical cyclone and wind speed?
I believe that their connection depends on the maximum sustained wind speed. Tropical cyclones will be designated as follows. Tropical depression less than 63 kilometers per hour. Tropical storm 63 kilometers per hour. It is then also given a name hurricane, typhoon, or tropical cyclone more than 119 kilometers per hour.
Exactly, Ms. Luzon. Okay, question number 5. How are tropical cyclones formed?
I believe that the cyclone is one of the Earth's strongest forces, a combination of strong, howling winds and heavy precipitation. Cyclones only form over warm water at about 27 degrees Celsius or higher. As warm water evaporates of the oceans in the region, heat is taken up into air that is rotating. As the air has plenty of moisture in it to start with, thunderstorms are created. As the moist, damp air rises and creates thunderstorms which start to rotate, the storm is formed.
That is superb, Miss Visayas! And now, we are down to our last question. If Miss Luzon or Miss Visayas will get this answer correctly, either will be declared as the winner. And if Miss Mindanao will answer this, we will have a triple tie. Question number 6. Are you ready? How are tropical cyclones named?
I believe that tropical cyclones can last for a week or more. Therefore, they can be more than one cyclone at a time. Each year, tropical cyclones receives a name in alphabetical order. To avoid confusion, women and men's names are alternated.
That means we have a triple tie! Our Miss Baguio 2017 are Miss Luzon, Miss Visayas, and Miss Mindanao. You guys all deserve the crown. Miss Luzon. Miss Visayas. Miss Mindanao. That concludes our pageant. Thank you all for being with us today. Have a good day ahead.